What's going on, guys? So doing a little drive around. Right now we're in the 12 valve tune. I don't know if you guys can really hear it in the truck, but the tuning overall is fantastic. Definitely notice just a smoother, more responsive feel over the SO6, so that's pretty awesome. I feel like the 90 horsepower tune feels really equivalent to the 190 tune from the SO6. So right now 12 valve tune, the shifting is way different. It's quite nice. It holds gears a little longer. You don't just hop into overdrive for no reason and you're not lugging like crazy all the time. The toe tune is way different. You can feel just a huge difference. We'll hop right into it here. And once again, on the fly tuning, so you can just do this while you're driving. Throw it into tune, toe, and you'll kind of hear it hop out of 12 valve mode. There it goes. So you can definitely feel the reduction in power, but the shift schedule is so different that it's really nice, and it still has a good amount of power. And the EGT control has been great so far. I don't think it's cracked 1,000 yet. I haven't towed anything, but I mean, just compared to what I've been driving, any tune that I ran, if I put the pedal down, it would easily break 1,000. So far so good, but you can feel it. It's just much different. I mean, that's just a pull from the ground there, and we weren't even in 4th gear lockup. That's just 3rd gear lockup, which it doesn't do normally. So we'll throw it into a little hot tune here. We'll just throw Sport on. I'm kind of nervous to run the race tune. Got the Chica here. She's playing camera girl. She's kind of shaky.
I suck at it. It's the road and the driving.
Okay, so we switch tunes here. Just cruising. You see it shifts down so quick. When before it would never do that. It's very touchy. I love it. It's definitely less smoky. Which is nice. Boost is higher, way higher. I mean, that was probably half throttle, 3/4 throttle, and we hit about 35 pounds. Yeah, the truck is just flat out, it rips compared to what it used to, and it's going to be a lot of fun to drive for sure. So hope that video was informative for you guys. Rob's tuning I thought was pretty fantastic. The SO6 definitely out of date compared to the MM3, so I definitely recommend it for any third gen Dodge. I don't think you'll regret it at all. So anyways, if you liked, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you with the next one.